So Katie's currently putting the kids to bed, and I was just thinking, we're almost there with the Abarth. It's off having the wheels refurbed right now, a bit of buckling sorted out due to the fact that I went through a fairly nasty pothole near Haverhill. The Corsa we're progressing with, we've got the engine starting to be stripped down, but I'm thinking, what's the next project? I mean, I quite like thought of like an Audi TT or a Polo GTI or something like that, but I'm going to leave the question out to you. You're the people that are supporting this channel, so I'd like you to use this video, send me a list of cars you think would be pretty cool for us to repair, rebuild and get back on the road. Hope you enjoy the videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you again.